call. It's 1:43 p.m. I got Giants Dodgers on. We kicked their ass last night, extra innings. McCutcheon had a big 3-run homer. That was awesome. Just got done painting the bedroom, so the wife's all stoked. I got some paint on my hands and stuff. It looks good. Maybe I'll get a screenshot for you. So she's all happy. Now I gotta go over to the mall. I got a service call at the mall. Let's go check this out. It's gonna be a trip if we gotta get on the roof over there. We might get attacked by seagulls. Let's go scope it out. It's a door lake, but it's remoted. The condenser units are on the roof. Came in, listen. What do you hear? It's either low on charge or high head, so let's get on top here. I'm gonna check out the little line sets and it might tell us a story. Get on top of here, pretty simple. See what the problem is. They built these boxes with these quick connects. There's oil. We'll go get the, let me peel this back a little further. I'll go get the soap bubbles and we'll see where it's leaking at. That's a big old leaker. Look at that. You can see down here it's been leaking on top of there. It's all oily too. I'll go get the soap bubbles and we'll take a peek. Oh, I didn't mention you could just grab onto the liquid line and see if it's hot or not if it was running high head, but it's not, it's cold. So it's got the old low charge leaker, the usual suspects. We could pop the lid on this too and take a look at the evap section. I got a bunch of cleaner and stuff piled up here. Cleaner, the rat trap right there is kind of nice. But let's see. Get over here, we'll take a peeky, sneaky peeky. Okay. I'll turn that off. It's got a solenoid so it'll pump down. The evap coil's gonna be good and crusty too, no doubt. It's got a constant cut-in thermostat that goes to the solenoid. Not a bad little setup. Lower Lake normally does a good job on stuff. Alright. That's a good sized leaker. Little bubble factory right there. Bloop, bubbler. Yeah, let's see if we can give her the old hunker the bunker down. Getting tighter. Get the wrench upside down. Let me get a second wrench on the back part. See if I can reef it. Okay. So for the video I was doing that wrong with just the one wrench on there. So you get one on that side. You got to get your backing wrench on this side. So I had to put the camera down to do it proper. So it's two wrenches on those. See how the big guy's doing it there too. Then you can get her tightened up. There we go. No more bubbles. Now we got to get her top off the charge and we're good to go. Pretty basic right there.